Just charging a walk-in freezer right now, adding our 404 refrigerant. See what I'm doing? I've got this jumper cable in between the condensing unit and the refrigerant tank. Now, when you add a bunch of gas and dump it in, just by how long this video has been going for, I've already added over 4 pounds. This will build a static charge. If you don't have this jumper cable, you'll end up touching this and grabbing your tank and getting a pretty big electrical shock. And this is the exact same thing with reclaiming refrigerant too. So just be careful doing that.